Have a good day everyone. Today I am going to explain about 4-stroke valve timing diagrams. We have already discussed about what is a 4-stroke engine on last video. This valve timing diagram draws according to the 4-stroke engine. With this valve timing diagram, we can clearly identify the position of piston, how many degrees the valves are open and close, and how many degrees turns the flywheel in every stroke. In this diagram we can see all the strokes in one sketch. From the next diagram I am going to explain one by one. And note these number of degrees can be changed with the engine design. Very first we need to know the TDC position and the BDC position. When the piston moves inside the cylinder it reaches to the maximum higher position of the cylinder. It calls as TDC, its mean top dead center. And the piston moves maximum lower position of the cylinder calls as BDC, its mean bottom dead center. Let's see how the piston is moves with valve opening and closing. First, see how to draw the diagram on intake stroke. The piston is moving downward. The inlet valve is opens 15 degrees before it ending the previous stroke. After the piston moves BDC and inlet valve closes 37 degrees after the BDC. In this stroke we can see flywheel nearly turns half round, but it actually turns 232 degrees. Why this inlet valve opens more than 180 degrees? It's artifice designing to suck more inlet air into the cylinder bore. Then see how to draw this cycle on combustion stroke. In this stroke both inlet and exhaust valves are in close position and the piston moves from BDC to TDC. Also the flywheel turns nearly half around. Then see how to draw the diagram for power stroke. In this stroke also, the valves are in close position and piston is moving to TDC to BDC. In the same time flywheel turns nearly half around. Before ending the stroke we can see the exhaust valve is opens 45 degrees before BDC position and start to discharge the exhaust gas from the cylinder bore. Finally see how the diagram draws on exhaust stroke. In this stroke piston moves BDC to TDC and the flywheel turns nearly half around. Their exhaust valve is already opened and it closed 5 degrees after the TDC. That clearly shows the valve is getting close on next cycle. This inlet valve open and exhaust valve close period is named as valve overlap period. There we can see the exhaust valve opens 230 degrees, while this exhaust valve opens more than 180 degrees. It's also artifice designing to discharge scavenge air from the cylinder bore. Thank you for watching my video on Automobile Learner channel and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe the channel.